Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to open one of your apps, like Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. So sorry, big misclick. Now select Open in split screen view and tap on the other app, like Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!